Today we're going to talk about comparative adjective. By the way, we learned about adjective yesterday. So what is adjective? We use adjective to describe people, animals, things, or places. So, what is comparative adjectives? We use comparative adjective to describe, to compare two people, to compare animals, to compare things, to compare places. We always like to compare people. We always like to compare things. We always like to compare everything, right? So let's take a look on these examples of adjectives. Big, small, long, short, clean, dirty. Okay, so I have things here. I have a toy car. This toy car is big, and this toy car is small. Small, smaller, and big, bigger. So the comparative adjective of small is smaller, and the comparative adjective of big is bigger. So let's compare the two toy cars. This toy car is bigger than this toy car. And this toy car is smaller than this toy car. Again, small, smaller, big, bigger. All right. Another thing, pencils. This pencil is long, and this pencil is short. The comparative adjective of long is longer, and the comparative adjective of short is shorter. Now let's compare them. This pencil is longer than this pencil. This pencil is shorter than this pencil. Okay, short, shorter, long, longer. Okay, now I have caps here. Look at this cap. Okay, and this. Right, so this cap is dirty, and this cap is clean. So the comparative adjective of dirty is dirtier, and the comparative adjective of clean is cleaner. Now let's compare them. This cap is dirtier than this cap. This cap is cleaner than this cap. Again, dirty, dirtier. Clean, cleaner. Good. And the last one is book. I have two books here. Right. So look at this book and this book. Okay. So this book is heavy, and this book is light. The comparative adjective of light is lighter, and the comparative adjective of heavy is heavier. So let's compare the two books. This book is heavier than this book. Right. This book is lighter than this book. Again, light, lighter. Heavy, heavier. So, we use than after comparative adjective and comes before the other thing that we compare with. Right, for example, this toy car is bigger than this toy car. So, than comes after bigger and comes before another thing that we compare with. Okay, so now let's know the rule of adding er and changing y to I. Okay, for most one-syllable adjective, we add er. Right, for example, long, longer, small, smaller, big, bigger. Okay, for adjectives that end with y, we have to change the y and change I. Okay, or we have to erase y and change to I. Example, heavy, heavier, happy, happier, dirty, dirtier. Alright. And also for the adjectives that end with vowel, like nice, so you add R, nicer.
Now, let's read your book. Wow, it's hot. It's hotter and nicer than yesterday. But this water is cold. It's colder than the ocean. Look, my sun hat is dirtier than your sun hat. My sun hat is cleaner than your sun hat now. Let's practice. Give the comparative of adjectives below. Cold, colder, big, bigger, nice, nicer, hot, hotter, dirty, dirtier, kind, kinder, small, smaller, clean, cleaner. Let's read the vocabulary. Week 4. 1. Dangerous. 2. Ocean. 3. Expensive. 4. Computer. 5. Cookies. 6. Appreciate. 7. Kind. 8. Beautiful. 9. Hurt. 10. Furniture.